old Kinfolk. What's good with your Kinfolk? How's everything going with you today? Happy Tuesday with it, y'all. Make sure you get yourself out here and get you some of this nature. Yeah. Also eat you some nature too. That's a real important thing, dude. You can't forget about that, you hear me? You should never forget about that. We out here though. Over here, over there, over here, over there, over here. Over there, over here. Over here, over there. Under there, over there. Out there, in there. We over here off the grid. Yeah. We gonna sight this we gonna sight in this rifle we got. We gonna sight in this old Gamo. We gonna sight her in or try to. Yeah. Old Gamo. So first off we gonna make a backdrop. And I got my target. Got no nails or nothing like that. I ain't got no nails. But I do. I do have some tape here. Take it up there like that. Plain blue. Take it up like that. Boom, bang, boom. That old duck tip in the line. Should be good. I mean, even though it's raining, we gonna aim for that red dot. We gonna aim for that red dot, Kinfolk. Yeah, let's go and get it sighted in. We gonna cut it because I don't know how much memory my phone got. So let's cut it real quick. All right, Kinfolk. We didn't bring no measurement device, so we don't know where 30 yards is, but I'm thinking from where I'm at to that target, you know. That's how close I'm trying to be to a rabbit. So there's the target right there, as you can see. All the room I got. Right there. So yeah, let's zero this thing in. And 2, baby. I know a lot of people use them stands and stuff to sight stuff in, but you're not gonna have that stand out there in the woods unless you got a big piece of land where you can sit on your porch or somewhere or your backyard and shoot. So it's better to, I would think it's better to you know, sight it in as you're going to shoot. Like, you're going to be, if you're getting squirrels and rabbits, you're going to be, you know, people who ain't got big open land. Yeah, you're not going to, you get what I'm saying. It's hot out here, y'all. All right, let's sight her in. Let's sight her in. But I get it. I mean, sighting it in, yeah. You want to, I guess, having a stand would be good, but where did I go with that one? Hold on. Let's do 3 rounds. Let's do 3 rounds. Might as well not even. Might as well not even. Might as well leave this thing open. I know they make pellet pouches or something. I'm pretty sure. Never seen one, but I'm pretty sure they got pellet pouches. Well, they got the pellet pens, but I don't think them pellet. Oh, my bad. I don't think them pellet pens are, you know. It might be. I've just seen somebody use it on the video, and they was taking forever. Taking forever. I don't know. I don't know. The pen might be better because you can push on it. You can push on it. All right, y'all. All right, here we go. You know, this weather done changed. This weather done changed. Okay. It looks like we only gotta go over to the right. I'll show you the target here in a minute. Oh man, like we only gotta go to the right. Which one is that? Is it the top one or the side one? I don't know. Up. Gotta go up. Okay, we don't need to go up. But y'all, what? Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. Come on, don't do that now. Come on now. Old plaster roof. Old plaster roof. Alright, so we're gonna go to the right. We're gonna go to the right. A couple clicks. Whoa. And I'm shaking, y'all. I'm shaking. It ain't no. Okay. So click left. So we need to go the opposite way of that. Come on. I was about to say, I've seen them people do it with their nails. Alright, let's do this again. Did I load? I already loaded one, didn't I? I did. Man, I might do need a stand. Oh man. I didn't load one, did I? That trigger don't feel good. Oh, I didn't. I thought I'm tripping. I opened the thing, but I didn't load one. It's all good in the hood. It's all good in the hood. Alright. Let's do this again. Hold on now. I might use that palm. Let me get you over here. Get you over here. We'll use this palm tree right here. We'll use this palm tree right here. It's like that thing really good. I'm shaking, boy. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I guess it is. It's definitely a good idea to have them stand. Where did that go? I'm gonna have to do another one because I believe that hit in the same spot. I believe that hit in the same spot. I needed to go right, so I went the right way. Do that again. Do that again, Kinfolk. Let's go look at our targets. Smell that thing. Okay. Okay, so it did move over. It did move over, yeah. Yeah, so we just need to move over some. Oh, no, it didn't. It's in the same spot. Let's do it quick. Yeah, so I need to go over this way some more. See, maybe that was the last shot. And it did go over. Because see the first 2 shots? Boom. Yeah. All right. This smell like, this thing smell like gunpowder. Oh, I didn't click over. I'm tripping. I'm a tripper. You gotta click over a good bit. It did go over, so I gotta do some clicking. I gotta do some clicking, y'all. That says left to go that way. So we wanna go the opposite way of left. Alright. I'm probably gonna have to do some more clicking. This is definitely not 30 yards, maybe. Probably a little bit more. Where did you? Oh. Okay. So it is working its way over. Seems like we need to go down a little. We'll go down a little bit on it. Gamo. It says up that way. So we go down a little bit. I don't know if that did anything, but I don't know. Old plaster roof. We're gonna eventually get a better sight. Better scope. Alright, I think I'm gonna let's sight it in that. Yeah, I can definitely be this close to a rabbit, so we're gonna sight it in one day the correct way. We're gonna sight it in the correct way one day. Okay. It's working. We'll shoot it one more time. We might need to go down, but it's working. It's definitely working, y'all. I'm excited. I'm trying to get some rabbit tonight. Trying to get a rabbit tonight. Oh yeah, I believe we sighted in, y'all. That was me shaking, but I believe we sighted in. I believe we sighted in. I ain't gonna play with it. And we got room for error on a rabbit. So. We got room for error. Ooh, I'm shaky, but it's this thing right here. Let me get off that. Let me stop relying on that. Yeah, I was a lot shaky on that one. Actually, we ain't got room for error. We need to get that thing bullseye because that circle is about the size of a rabbit brain. So I guess you want to do headshots. But it's a 22, so you can do body shots. I want to do that one more time. One more time, see where it's at. That mud smell just like gunpowder. That went over. We're gonna have to get a stand to get better groups. I'm swaying. Yeah, it's just me. It's just me. We touched the red. It's just me. And I ain't shot in over maybe special pellet gun. I ain't shot a pellet gun in, I'm gonna say, like 2 years. We pretty much sighted in, y'all. We ain't gonna play with it. We gonna get to 30 yards for now. I mean, from this distance, I can hit one. I'm confident in that. But we're gonna do a 30-yard one day. Man, I'm shaking. We're gonna put one more in there. And we're gonna call it sighted. That boy smoking. We're gonna call it sighted. It's close enough. I want one more. I want one more, y'all. I'm determined. I'm determined to get that. As we shoot more, we'll get better. Believe that. If this thing wasn't shaking, maybe I'd use it. Alright, Kinfolk. That is it. That is it. That was fun. That was real fun. Like I said, we just had to get it close. We had to get it close. We probably going rabbit hunting tonight. We had to get it close though. So let's go to these targets. Alright, Kinfolk. Here we go. Check me out. Check me out. You see it. You see it. I went from over here. And I still was landing. I landed like 2 more over here, I believe. Or maybe I didn't. I don't know. But you see, we was working our way in. And this one what made me adjust down. That's what made me adjust down. So when I did that, I hit right there. So that's just me shaking. That's just me shaking right there. But yeah, I'm confident. We'll zero it in more. We'll find out where 30 yards is with my measuring device, and we'll try it again. We'll try it again, and I might do a stand. I might do a stand just to get it zeroed in. But yeah, I think I'm confident that I won't wound a rabbit, you know, because probably I'll be laying down. I'll probably be laying down and probably put something down like a pillow or something to rest the gun on. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. So watch out, Roger. Watch out, Roger. There might be Roger. There might be a Roger somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. I don't know, Joe. But hey, we're gonna figure it out, and I'll let you know. All right.